see, normal broccoli, this is my favorite also. If you pour water, can you see? Even the water cannot even seep through. I mean, this broccoli, which means that there's a lot of wax also and pesticide on in this plant. So what we do is that I will use this veggie wash. Okay, just one side, half with this veggie wash. Okay lah. Okay, let it go soak for a while. Now you should be able to see my water can. Now 你看得到吗？现在它可以吸收了。Well, this part, just now no matter how I pour, the color, can you see the green is coming out? Yeah.
Can you spray where the water is later to prove that
spray
everything?
Okay, this part I didn't spray my veggie wash. Yeah. Can you see? No, the water cannot even seep through. How can you wash?
Now you spray.
Now I spray, huh?
Yes,
this one I spray already,
now
my lighting not bad, huh? Can see, huh? Okay, I spray it.
Because it's the same location.
Center I didn't. Now my water can go through. Then you can properly wash away the pesticide. If this one cannot even penetrate, I mean water cannot even go through this, how can you remove the pesticide? So this one proves that this one works. Actually we can remove. In fact I will soak for a while. Yeah. Maybe 5 minutes. Normally I 5 minutes or so, right? So now I just to show you the difference in one is with all the wax, the other one you can actually remove at least if not 100%, 90%. I normally soak also. So veggie wash is in demand.
So now you can soak inside here and then you see again.
We cut a lap but now for demo it's the whole thing.
At least 我哋知道我哋應該點樣洗。
Yeah, the wax.
Now green, huh? Now you try pour water.
Wow, you got, huh? He's a very good student. That's why I say 係咪？我懷疑你是從 A star 出來了，你做的 A star scholarship. Now we can wash properly. Okay, can? Yeah, more a some wax that you cannot remove, and a lot of people just use tap water. And without knowing, they make broccoli soup somehow, huh? We go and grind and make very nice Western. So